Check. Hello, Owen. Hello. Mhm. Owen.
Hello, hello.
Hello. How are you, Owen?
Good. Ada. Wait, sir.
Good.
Yes. Wait.
Your breath is quite deep. What's wrong, Owen?
Hello, hello.
Yes. So, how how about your last lesson, Owen? You wanna ask me
Uh,
something?
no, I think it's clear enough.
Fair enough.
Yes.
Okay. So today we learn about problem solving, Owen. Okay.
Okay.
But before we go there, I wanna, you know, uh, uh, invite you to play a game. Would you like to play a game as our warming up, of course, or you want
Okay.
to kind of, I wanna just learning, sir, whatever. Mm-hmm.
I think it's up to you.
No, it's not up to me. Yeah, we have a time for warming up, and if you do not agree with that, we can skip the warming up. So it's up to you. It's not up to me.
Uh, we can try warming up, I think.
Okay then. Let's play this game, Owen. You know shooter game? Crazy games? You know
Uh,
crazy games?
yes.
Have you played Skill War Z?
No.
Okay, let's play that. I hope you enjoy this game. Hold on, Owen. Hold on, Owen. There we go. Okay, so I think. Wait, what? What? Hmm. Okay, I think this one is nice one for us. Okay, my name is Mr. X, but why? There you go. Let's get started, Owen.
And
Have you joined, Owen?
Yes.
What's your name?
Wait. I don't know. Still loading, sir.
Still loading. Where are you, Owen?
Wait. I was kicked, sir.
Oh my God. Seriously?
Yes. I think my ping's too high.
Hmm. Okay then. I think we couldn't play the game. Okay, Owen. It means that let's get started. Okay? Let's play the other game later. Okay. I will share my screen for you. There you go. Okay. Could you see, Owen?
Yes.
So today, Owen will learn about problem solving, and the title it's pretty similar: workshop for solving problems. But something that I have to tell you is it's we have learned all of the things that we need to solve this problem, Owen. But one more thing, but this is kind of uh not new things, Owen. Okay, it's just like how could we make our code sorter? Or I will explain to you about concise code first, and then let's do the task together. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so what is concise in Indonesia, Owen? Could you tell me?
No.
It's ringkas,
Okay.
concise. Okay, so concise code basically allows us to do something like this, Owen. So when you learn about input and INT function, it means that you have to do something like this to convert your data, right, Owen? So input first and then INT. Okay, you got it?
Okay.
Now, what is the concise code and how could we make concise code? So to create concise code, you just need to nest your code like this, Owen. So could you see? So first you write the I input and then you kind of wrap the I input function with your INT function. And how it works like you have to run the first or the deeper code or the deeper command first, and then it will run the outside command. Okay,
Okay.
Owen. I mean, like it will go to execute this code first, this command, and then it will convert your data into int or integer. This is how it works. Okay. Now,
Okay.
with this stuff, with these terms, Owen, we can create something like if you have, you know, uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows at the beginning with nested or concise code, you can make it just three codes like that, three line of codes. Okay, something like
Okay.
this. Okay, that's the first thing. Now, the second thing is you have learned, let's say you just learned about concise code. Okay, one. But something that you have to consider with concise code also is, yep, you can also make learn function more shorter or concise like this one. But something that you have to notice is sometimes another programmer or developer couldn't know or couldn't understand your code. Okay? I mean, like when you want to do concise code, you have to determine about the balance of its readability and the balance of your code. I mean, like this, Owen. So you create something like this later. Let's say this is Owen's code. Okay. But my POP, in my POP, I will say, Owen, what are you doing? You create concise code, but I couldn't read that uh, in a good way. So if you want to avoid that stuff, Owen, that's problem, I, recommend to you, do not use concise code in every conditions. Okay. I mean, like you have to consider its readability and it's like the balance of your code. Okay, balance
Okay.
means that other programmer can also read your code, not only you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and then what else that you should know? Well, I think we have talked about interpreter, but let me re-explain that. So what is interpreter? So interpreter, where are you? Oops, hold on. Wait, what? Yeah, I think it's on the third lesson, Owen. So now let's talk about not interpreter. I will talk about command, Owen. So what is command? Command is something that you can use to create a hint or description of your code, Owen. And the nice thing about command is it will be ignored by your interpreter. I mean, like it will not execute by your interpreter. And then, how do I use this stuff? How do I create a command to my code? Well, you just need to add the hashtag sign, Owen. Okay. And then, what is the explanation of that? Okay. This is if you want to create a line of command. Now, if you want to create more than one line of command, Owen, you need to use the triple quotation like this. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now, this is the example of that. So you have variable, the name is price, int input, blah blah blah. This is the hint, and then you create a comment like this. So it's totally will be ignored by your interpreter. So your interpreter just execute the first line and the third line. So it's just like for user or for you. Oh, this is discount that we have to set it into 5% from the ticket price, something like that. Okay, Owen?
Okay.
Okay. Do you have question, Owen?
No.
No, okay. I will I want to go to the platform, Owen. I think I'm lagging. Am I lagging, Owen?
No. No. No.
Okay, thank you. Now go to lesson 4, Owen, and then let's do the task for first part, or you can go to the second part. That it depends on you because we have learned all of the stuff we need to do the first, the second, and the additional task. And you can also try the Olympiad block if you wanna do something challenging. Okay, Owen?
Okay.
So which one do you want? I have to give you an example first. Which part? One, two, three, or the
I think Part 1.
Part 1. All right. So there we go. Okay, I will skip this part. This part also. Maybe this is nice an example. Okay, I will repress it, Owen, and then let's see. Okay, so the statement say we have to optimize the program code. So this is the kind of output of our code will be, but we have rules here, Owen, that the rules should be like this. Optimize the program so that is has less than 6 lines. So we have 8 lines in total. So how could we make it into 6 lines? Well, you have input function here, and it's like you will convert the price human into integer data type. So to do that, you just need to add the INT function here, like this, Owen. 1, 2, 3. INT like this. And then now, what should I do with this line 4 and line 6? You can remove this line totally, like this. Okay, now you have 5 lines in total. Okay, and then if you run the code, plain ticket price, let's say 80, luggage price 12, and price of food 20. There we go. So this is to be paid. Yep. Do you have question?
No.
No, it's pretty easy, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now let's do for the second task, Owen. Let me give you an example. How could we utilize a command? Okay. So we have something here. The length of the code must be less than 5 lines, Owen. Okay. So we have to create something like this. Okay. So let's create salary is equal to, let's use INT and input, and monthly salary. Remember, Owen, you maybe write the first function, I mean the INT first, but your interpreter will execute the deeper first. Okay, that's something that you should remember. Okay, Owen. Okay, and then what number of hours? So I will say hours, and then INT input, and then I will say number of hours worked on weekend, colon. And then I will say print at the last premium size, colon, comma. Now what is the salary? It says request an average monthly salary and request the number of working hours on weekends. Calculate the bonus with this formula: salary times 1% times weekend work. All right. So, okay. So we just need to say salary, Owen, times 1%. Oops. 1.101, and then times hours. Okay. Now this is the final, I guess. 10, 1. All right, Owen. Okay. Now you can add something here. So the salary formula, you can see that at the description. Like this one. So it's completely ignored by your interpreter like that. Okay. So nothing say salary, blah, blah, blah. Okay. You want to try, Owen?
Yes.
Okay. Let's get started, Owen.
Wait, I share my screen?
Yes. You should share your screen.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
I start with 1.
Yep. Whatever, actually, you can choose.
Okay.
If you want to try from 1, 2, 3, or Olympiad blocks, that's completely fine. Programmers believe that. Are you sure, Owen?
No.
Okay. In construction A, you can embed the embed means that you can nest it. You can Owen bisa sarangkan konstruktor A, apa namanya konstruktor B di A. Kalau B itu mengembalikan nilai. Yes. So if you Owen want to nest it as something, it means that the diver value should be able to return a value. Okay? The diver function, it's just like INT input. So because input can return a value, that's why we can nest it with INT. That's our, yeah.
Okay.
What's your plan for today, Owen?
Nothing.
Nothing. So you don't prepare for the lecture at the college, maybe?
No.
You don't. Owen ngekos nggak nanti?
Ada.
Oh, saya pikir Owen bolak-balik gitu.
Enggak dong.
Oh enggak ya. Oke, Owen. Okay, Owen. Nice. Uh-huh. There we go. So, you just need to fix the bugs. What's the bugs, Owen?
Wait. Review. Oh.
It should be, you should mention the feedback first, right, Owen? Feedback dot find. No, that's right. That's you want to find the word terrible, but you need to say feedback first. Feedback dot find, like that.
Oh.
Yep. All right. I can try the code. God. You can block them, Owen. You can block the input till the end, and then, yep. There we go. Oops. Yep.
Write a program.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Okay, Owen. Do we need to use INT, Owen?
I think no,
Why?
because it's name.
Yeah, exactly. So we want to make a string. INT.
Oh, ih sama aja ya.
Actually, yep, exactly. Required. Nice word, Owen. Additional. So why do you take computer science, Owen?
Uh, I think I just like to
You
be
just
in
like
front of the
computer?
yes.
You wanna be? Have you thought about to be an hacker, maybe?
Hmm. I think yes,
Just like me. Yes, but
but I think it's hard.
it's hard. Have you tried, Owen,
No,
to hack
no,
someone's Wi-Fi, maybe?
no.
No. Okay. Name. Efficiency.
Hmm.
Mandatory task needs 50 points. Excuse me, 15 points per task, and then additional task needs 20 points per task. Required. Exactly, Owen. Nice. Here we go. Okay.
Eh,
I think you missed something. Could you see the picture?
Oh, the strip.
The dash. Yep, exactly.
So it's behind this, like this.
Yep, exactly like that. Yep, nice, Owen. I will give you my codes, Owen, because we have talked about this.
Okay.
Let me share the code. Actually, we haven't talked about this code, but it's okay, Owen. Uh, there we go. Okay. Last one, Owen.
Oh.
Okay. There are errors and no errors.
Uh,
Are you okay?
oh,
Are you sure the first one is, excuse me. Yep. That one on? No. No. The second statement. App is equal to good dot find good.
oh,
Why is wrong, Owen?
oh, I think nothing.
Oh, it's not wrong, okay?
Okay.
Because basically we and then what else? Would you do something like learn print, Owen?
Yes, but it's a number.
No. I no. That's right. You're right about that.
Oh,
You're right about that one. But the right
this too.
side. Yep.
Oh,
No. Not that one, Owen.
oh, this is
Uh-huh.
okay. Okay.
So that's not right. Okay. Nice, Owen. Okay. Now, Owen, next.
Okay. Variable.
I wanna powder my nose. Could I?
What? What?
I wanna go to the toilet.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Hold on. Okay, Owen, I'm back.
Yeah. Okay.
There we go. Computer only understand the language of current signals consisting of 0 and 1, so that the computer understands commands in Python. Special program was intended, blah blah blah. Huh?
Hmm?
When
Apa?
recognizing a command, it relies on variable data type.
Oh, yeah.
Data type.
What is this button? A special program was invented.
Interpreter, I guess. I have no idea.
Oh,
But let's try that. Interpreter. For example, the operator, blah, 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 can be used. Oh, yeah. So, Owen, if you work with string and use, let's say you want to combine one string and two string or whatever, let's say your name, Stephanus and Owen. So you can use plus sign, okay, Owen? That
okay.
works in string when you want to combine it. But when you work with a number, it will, yeah, just like a number, it will do additional terms. There we go. Hotel. The H is silent. Paradise on Earth, 4 stars. Beautiful on beautiful Paraguay, 5 stars.
Okay, lagi.
Are you okay? So sorry, Owen.
Error. Nomor.
What?
Sana job offer to Barara Microstem.
Mm-hmm. Okay. You need to use plus sign, Owen. Remember that. So, but you need to first send a job over, and then the offer should be Barbara, Michael, and Stan. Okay. What is the index number of Barbara start and ends, Owen?
0
0 till
to
how many letters at Barbara, Owen?
6. 5.
Are you sure?
7.
Barbara? Yeah, it's 7. So you need to say 0 till 7. Yep. And then plus. Don't forget outside Naha on yeah, over there. Mm-hmm. Okay, and then no tell. Oh no, it's not. I'm so sorry. The
Michael
note.
and Stan. I think we need
Mm-hmm.
to find first.
No. Yeah, you can do something like that. You should say print, Owen. Print parenthesis
Yeah.
note dot find. Oh my God.
I think so. We delete all first.
Yeah, you can do that. No, no, not that one. Not the second line. You can delete the third and fourth line. And then remember, Michael basically is a word. It's not a variable. So you need to add. Mhm.
9,
It's 9 and then
21.
okay. So Barbara starts from 0, ends at 7. So you need to say refresh the code, the page, Owen.
Second.
Okay, and then 9 till how many letters? 9 plus?
7.
Okay, and then 21 till 21 plus? 'Oh, you forgot to add the plus sign on. Yep. And also before the note up in here. Could I annotate your screen?
Yes.
You should enable me first.
How?
You can see the three buttons when you want to stop screen sharing.
Oh
Owen,
yes.
more option, and then you
Okay. Okay.
you should find enable. There we go. So you need to add the add sign also in here, Owen. Oops, hold on. 1, 2. Okay, Owen.
Oh, so behind the note.
Yep. And no, that's right. You should also add there, over there, and
Oh.
then yep, yeah,
Okay.
you got it.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
There we go. Okay, how about now? Number 6. I think I will give you. Oh no, you have to try first one. I'll give you the answer for number 7. Come on, Owen.
Is it done?
It should be less than 6 line, I guess,
Oh, less than
but
6
it's.
line.
You can remove the month, Owen. You just need to mention the month with its value. So you do not need month variable. I mean, you can
Oh,
direct.
so I can delete this.
Yep, exactly. 29.3. Now replace that. 29.3.
Like that.
Exactly like that. Oops. Yeah, exactly like that.
Okay. Oh, sorry, you give the code or I.
Oh yeah, I'm so sorry. My bad. My it's quite long today. I am feeling sleepy on. Here's the code. So sorry. Yep, that one. There we go. So which one will give you an integer, a decimal fraction, a string, and will give you an error? First, what it
Hmm.
will be, Owen? Uh, it's gonna be
Wait. This?
exactly because the rest basically is integer. And then that will be upload, decimal fraction. We call it as upload. Decimal ya, Owen. Mm-hmm.
This?
Yep, exactly. And then, yep, that one will be, are you sure? It will be,
Oh, wait.
what is, uh-huh. Are you sure, Owen? I'm so sorry, maybe this is my bad. So I forgot to tell you that if you multiply a string, it will be repeat,
Oh,
yeah, repeating the
okay.
string n times or how many times you want to repeat that.
Okay.
Okay. So INT, remember that. What is INT, Owen?
Uh, Turning strings into number.
It's not just string actually. So if you have a float data type or decimal number, it will
Hmm?
convert it into integer, bilangan bulat. Yeah.
Oh,
So,
okay.
yep, it should be over there. Uh-huh. Result input. Remember what input function always. Uh-huh. And then the last one, Owen. Are you sure, Owen?
Wait.
So basically, what function are you using?
Like this.
Exactly. So you cannot convert a string, I mean, not number, into word. Okay, Owen.
Uh, Number of working hours per week.
Okay. How would you do this task? Come
Hmm.
on, Owen.
And how to calculate this? Oh,
I think
like this?
exactly.
Let's try. Okay. But it's not green?
Budget, desired salary, Owen. Desired salary.
Oh, still number of working hours per week.
Column, desired salary per hour. Allocate from the budget. Oh, I know. So basically, what? Could I see the whole picture?
Wait.
I think you need to,
No, I think it's like
yeah, like
this.
that.
No,
Oh
that's
no.
not. Wait.
Let's make it. No, Owen. I think you need to make it like that, like this, Owen.
What?
Both 2 hours a week and per hours.
Wait. How? 20 hours a
80,000.
week and 40 hours full time.
4 times 4 is 16. And what? 4 times 5 is 20. Oh, so you need to. Oh, yeah, you have. Oh, no, times 4, Owen, times 4. Because we have 4 weeks in each month.
Uh, just like this.
Yep, like that. I hope. Checklist.
Still not green.
Checklist the button.
Oh. Okay.
Yep, exactly right. Okay, Owen. The next. Wow, I think you just need to run the program
Oh, just like
because, yeah, we'll learn this in the next module, in the next meeting. Okay,
number
Owen?
of working. Okay.
There we go. Okay, Owen. I think you
Okay.
can submit the task manually. There we go. And the next, from the previous code, Owen, you need to answer the question, the statement. The program calculates the desired salary of program.
Eh. Wait.
Oh no. The program calculates one parallel trust the minimum possible salary. Exactly. If the program is
So it's like this. Oh.
hold on. Oh my god. Okay, then that one. That's fine.
Okay.
That's fine. Okay. You wanna I think that's enough, Owen. Okay, you
Okay.
can try by your own way later. But don't forget, Owen, I
Hmm?
recommend you to, try the Olympiad block. That's nice question there. Yep. And then let's do it together if you get stuck in the next meeting. Okay?
Okay, okay. So we do in the next meeting or
You can try it by yourself after this
okay.
class, I mean. Okay? You can
Okay.
do it ChatGPT or you can do it with Gemini or something like that if you get stuck. But let's, we will discuss this stuff in the next
Okay, okay,
meeting,
okay.
okay?
Okay, okay.
Okay, thank you so much for being here, Owen. Okay? I want to say, yeah, congratulations, your first module is has been finished today. So in the next meeting, we'll go to the main part of programming. That's the logics part. Okay, Owen? So
Okay.
you will learn about conditional statement, while loop, and for loop. That yeah. Okay. Do you have something to tell me, Owen?
No.
No? If done, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next week. Bye bye.
Bye.
Have a
Bye.
nice day, Owen.